friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do a line dance, as you can see by the title, and I have a very special guest. She's a really good friend of mine, but she's also related to me. Please come in, my mom. Yay! Hi. So she's going to be learning the line dance with me. She has not learned it at all. This is completely new for her. So we'll see how it goes. Fingers crossed it all goes well. Do you have anything to say?
No.
I'm pretty sure she's excited.
Yeah.
All right, so I'm gonna face them back. And we're gonna do a half turn. Make sure they can see you. We're gonna do half turn with our right foot. We're gonna do pivot, turn. Sorry, half turn. Dance terms, it's pivot turn, but line dance terms, it's a half turn. So you're gonna bring your right foot out, right, and then you're gonna turn to the left, half turn. Good, try it again. So you're gonna do half a turn, and then you're gonna do a kick with your right foot, kick, right, left. So again, it is half a turn, kick, right, left. One more time, ready? And half a turn, kick, right, left. Now you're going to do the same thing. You're going to do half a turn with your right foot again. Half a turn. And you're going to kick with that right foot. Kick, right, left. So one more time from the top. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Half a turn, kick, right, left. Now right foot, half a turn, right foot, kick, right, left. Now from here, we're going to do a grapevine going to the right. Stepping out with our right foot, you're going to do right, left behind, right, and you're going to lean to the right, and you're going to clap. And then left, step on that left foot, left, right behind, clap. Okay? So again, it is right, left behind, right, clap, left, right behind, left, clap. So let's try it from the top. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Right foot, half turn, kick, right, left, right, half turn, kick with that right foot, right, left. Now, grapevine. Right, left behind, right, left, right behind, left. So now from here, we're going to do a double heel with that right foot. And you're going to do right, right. So your heel is just going to go twice, and it's going to be 1, 2, and then you're going to do a step together, step to the right. Right, left, right. So again, it is right, 2, step together, step, and then with your left heel, you're going to do it twice. 1, 2, then you're going to do a step together, step to the left. Left, right, left. Good. So again, starting from the double of the heel with the right foot. Ready? And 5, 6, 7, 8. You do 1, 2, step together, step, and left, and step together, step. Now from here, you're going to do a right heel and a left heel. Then you're going to make a quarter turn to your left. Your right foot's going to come out, right, and then turn to the left. So again, it is right heel, left heel, make that left quarter turn. Stepping on that right foot, right, turn to the left. And again, right heel, left heel. We're going to make a quarter turn to our left. So we step our right foot out, quarter, turn. So again, turning around, we're going to do right heel, left heel, and you're going to step out, quarter, turn, right heel, left heel, quarter, turn. And then you start the dance again from the top. So we'll do it again. And 5, 6, 7, 8. So you're going to make that half turn with your right foot. So you do right, half turn, and you're going to kick, right, left, and that same right foot, right, turning to the left, half turn, kick with the right foot, kick, right, left, grapevine, right, left, right, clap, left, right, left, clap, and you're going to double, with what foot, Mom, right or left?
The right.
The right, so you're going to double, 1, 2, step together, step, and left, left, double, and step together, step. Now we're going to do our right heel. Right heel, left heel, making a quarter turn to our left. So the right foot comes out, quarter turn, and right, left, step that right foot, quarter turn. And that's the dance. We did it 2 balls. it's pretty easy, but I love the song. We both like the song. So the next video that we'll be doing is with the music. And yeah, what did you think, Mom?
That was fun.
Yeah, it's a simple dance, so you guys, I'm pretty sure you'll be able to catch on. Just keep practicing and look forward to that next video with the music.